Welcome to Challenge 5. In Challenge 4, we wrote a program to read and display a single temperature value. In Challenge 5, we will add a for loop to our program to repeatedly read and display temperature values. Also, in an extra to this challenge, we will write commands to convert temperature values from Celsius to Fahrenheit and to display the converted value. Look at Challenge 5 in the Digital Mood Ring by Challenges document. Let's create a new program named C5 for Challenge 5. Program, arrow to New, 1 for Create New, C, then Alpha to toggle out of Alpha mode, press 5, then Enter. Let's add a clear home to prepare the display. Program, Input-Output, 8 for clear home. Press Enter to complete the command. Let's connect temperature sensor number 1 to input port 1 as in our previous program. Program, left arrow to hub, 9 for send connect input, 6 for temperature, then 1 for temperature sensor number 1, program, left arrow, hub, 3 settings, then select 2 TO, enter. Then let's select the port, program, hub, then arrow down to 0 for ports, enter. Then in 1. Alpha, quote, right paren, press enter to complete the command. Let's set up a for loop to repeat the set of commands to read and display temperature values. As a reminder, here is the syntax of a for loop. Press Program, then select For from the Control menu, press Enter. We will use n as the counter variable, alpha n, comma. We will loop from 1 to 10. Right paren, Enter to complete the command. Now, let's put in a pair of commands to read and get values from temperature sensor number 1. Program, hub, 2 for read, 6 for temperature, 1 for temperature sensor number 1. Press Program, hub, get, then enter T as the variable to put the temperature values in that were just read. Right paren, enter to complete the command. Now let's display the value of the counter variable with the label sample number equal on row 4. We will use a pair of output commands. Press Program, IO, 6 for output, type 4 for the row number, comma, then 1 to start at the beginning of the row, comma. Press alpha plus to open quotes for a text string. Type sample number equal. The equal symbol can be found on the second test menu. alpha plus to close the quote, right paren, press enter to complete the command. Now for the second output command of the pair. Program, input output, 6 for output, type 4 for the row, comma, then 16 to start at the character after the label, comma, alpha n for the counter variable, right paren, press enter to close the command. Now on row 5, let's display the value of the temperature with a label before of temperature degrees C equal. We will use another pair of output commands to accomplish this. Program, IO, 6 for output, 5 for the row, comma, 1 to start at the beginning of the row, comma, alpha plus to open the quotes, type temperature degrees C equal. The degree symbol is on the angle menu and the equal symbol is on the test menu. Alpha plus to close the quote, right paren, enter to complete the command. Now for the second output command of the pair. Program, IO, 6 for output, 5 for the row, comma, then 18 to start at the character after the label, comma, alpha T for the temperature reading value that we used the get command for earlier. Right paren, enter to complete the command. We still need to add an end command to close the loop. Then we could run the program. However, all the actions would happen very quickly, in 1 or 2 seconds. Let's add a wait command with a 2-second wait to slow things down. Program, hub, wait, 2 for 2 seconds, enter to complete the command. Now, program, select end from the control menu to complete the loop, press enter. Our loop will read, get, and display temperature values 10 times. We are ready to run the program. Alpha, F5, and 1 to execute. Try putting your finger on the sensor to change temperature values. At this point, you are done with Challenge 5. You are ready to move on to the Challenge 5 extension or on to Challenge 6. There is an optional extra part of Challenge 5. In the extra, we will edit the program to display the temperature values in Fahrenheit. Along the way, you will learn how to insert, copy, and paste rows, and to assign values to variables. Let's go back and edit the program to display the temperature in Fahrenheit. Program, Edit, C5. Now arrow down to the row with the output sample number. Press Alpha F5 to get the Program Editor menu. Select 3, insert line above. Your cursor is at the beginning of the new row. Now we will write a statement to create a variable f that will be updated with the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion formula value. Enter the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion formula with T representing the Celsius value. Now to store or assign the result of the calculation, we will use the store command, which pastes an arrow symbol. We will store to a variable called f. Type alpha f and enter to complete the command. Each time the loop runs, the values of t and f will be updated. To display the label for the Fahrenheit value, let's copy and edit the Celsius label. Arrow to the row with the Celsius label. Alpha F5, then select Copy Line. Move to the row with the second output command in the Celsius pair. Then alpha, F5, 6, paste line below. Let's edit the new row by moving to the C and typing over with alpha F. Also, change the row from 5 to 6 by typing over the row input. Now, let's copy, paste, and edit the second part of the output pair. Move up to the output command displaying the variable t. Alpha F5, copy line, enter. Then move down to the Fahrenheit label output command. Let's paste below alpha F5, 6 to paste below. Edit the row input from 5 to 6 and the variable from T to F. We are now ready to run the edited program. Alpha F5 1 to execute the program. After you are done exploring, you will be ready to move on to the Digital Mood Ring Challenge 5 extension video or to the Challenge 6 video.